Okay, YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to do a video today of putting ceramic tile on as a backsplash in my kitchen. We have this type of countertop. It's got some white specks in it. So my wife chose a white tile and a gray grout. So we'll be putting the tile on. This is the center of this wall here. So we'll start at the center and work both ways. That way we'll end up with a uniform width on the edges. That way it'll look pleasing to the eye, hopefully. And we'll be going all the way around. So we have a bunch of outlets, so we're going to have to figure out how we're going to go around the outlets. So that's the project today.
Right. I don't know how far it is. Okay.
You can't put tile in there. You put tile there though. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that up to you to make sure it's level.
And where do you want it?
Since that tile is floating, you're gonna.
Do we put in that?
Yeah, put it that way now.
Yeah. So now we're gonna have to cut a tile here. First.
But I need a level for this.
Well, if you level it on the bottom, then you shouldn't have to. It should be level. You just want to make sure that it's not too far left or too far right. It's going to be your.
I know. That's what I'm thinking of.
Okay, I'm going to cut some pieces of grout. And I've got my neighbor's tile cutter. I have to make sure plenty of water in here. There's a drain down here. Can't fill it any more than that or it'll run out. This is a Husky tile cutter. Diamond blade. We loosen the fence here. Okay, so we want to line our tile up with the blade and then move the fence and make sure we're on the same line here on both ends. And it's split before you're to the end, and you want to go all the way to the end to get that little notch that's left on there. And then you want to dry the dry the pieces off, because if you put them up wet, that's going to affect how the mastic adheres. And save these little leftover pieces. You never know if you may be able to use them. That's all there is to it.
Hey, scrape off some of that off your float. It's just so gooey on the back.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I want it to be gooey.
Don't throw me with my tongue sticking out.
No,
That's gross.
What if you go viral for that lady to stick her and out how she was working?
Yeah.
That's it. That's our first outlet.